Howdy, Texas Master Gardeners. I'm Jayla Fry. It's National Volunteer Month, and I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you for your service. You know, we talk often about our incredible numbers. We have almost 7,500 volunteers across Texas that give back over 500,000 hours of service. But I just want to take a quick minute to celebrate some of those individual contributions. For example, maybe you're the person that answers that help desk phone call that comes in and someone is struggling with their garden and you just take the time to help them. Or maybe you're the person who gives that presentation to an audience and they're so appreciative of your time that you have spent researching and preparing that presentation. Or maybe you're the person who walks a school or a teacher or a child through gardening, and that child ends up with a lifelong love of gardening. Whatever your contribution is, we just want to say thank you. You are valuable to us as well as all the things that you do for the citizens of your community. Thank you.